Hi friends, in this video I'm going to talk about V and V model in the software testing lifecycle. So V and V model is another types of model for software development, which is an extension of waterfall model. If you are visiting first time to the testingshala YouTube channel, please subscribe to the testingshala YouTube channel so that all the future videos from testingshala related to software testing will be in your inbox as and when we publish the videos. So let's move on to understand the V and V model concept, and I'll going to explain in detail phase by phase manner. So if we see this diagram, software testing in a V and V model. If you remember the waterfall model, all these requirements, high level design, low level design, coding, unit testing, integration testing, system testing, is going in a sequential manner. That is how in the waterfall model the testing development entire development process was planned. But here in the V and V model, every phase every phase is associated with a testing part in this V model. Let's talk about in the requirement phase. See, if you're seeing requirement phase is the first phase in verifying it. So here the requirements, whatever it has been collected, it needs to be validated just to ensure that whatever the requirements are gathered is of good quality. The requirements are in crisp and clear manner. For that, to gather the requirements, people will talk to all the various stakeholders just to get the different views of that requirement and get consolidated. Will be generating a document, will be getting communicated to all the stakeholders such as our PMs, product owners, or it could be our BAs, development team, and take their sign off for the requirement analysis. And once that is done, that will be validated. These requirements will be validated just to ensure that all the requirements are clear and it got the signed off from that. Next level here is high level design. High level design here is once the requirements are there, by studying those requirements, developers will do the designs at the high level. Once the high level designs are done, once the high level test designs, once the high level designs are done, there will be low level of designs will be done in terms of the design. Once a low level design is done, so there will be a coding is going to happen here, coding phase. That is where once the coding phase is done, there will be unit testing will be written just to ensure that whatever the coding has been implemented, it doesn't have any issues. Once all the unit test cases are passed, they will be handovering to integration testing. So in the integration testing, where the testers will be testing in terms of integration aspects by connecting the integration testing to the various modules. When these multiple individual modules are getting merged, how the integration testing is going to work. When the club together multiple modules, then we call it as a integration testing. When the integration testing happens, where you'll be checking all the various interfaces and all the dependencies and error messages in the integration testing. Then the last type of testing here, system testing, is getting done by validating on the requirements just to ensure that whether the complete functionality has been implemented as per the requirements were given and signed off from all the stakeholders, where the system testing is coming to a picture. And this overall model is called as a V model, which is being used in the development phase. So here V model testing here is nothing but unit testing is done during low level designs, and integration testing is done based on the high level design documents, just to ensure that all the paths, all the integration points are working as expected, and system testing is being validated against the requirement analysis, just to ensure that both functional and non-functional requirements are met. And this is done. There will be another type of testing which will be done at the last stage, which is nothing but a user acceptance testing. User acceptance testings are done by our POs or PMs based on the availability of requirement analysis document, and at the end of the day, user acceptance testing needs to sign off to deliver the product to the client. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, and if you are visiting first time to the Testingshala YouTube channel, please click on subscribe button so that all our future videos related to software testing will be in your inbox as and when we publish it.